Hi, welcome. I'm George, a Techie leader at the DSC, and today I'll be discussing to you about our assistive technology workshops. These workshops are created by the Techie team and presented by the Techie team. Their focus is to help students understand the types of assistive technology that the DRC offers to them and how it can help them and benefit them through their academic journey here at UCSC. So I'll be sharing to you some examples of the work we've produced here on our alternative or assistive technology team. If I share my screen real quick, we produce multiple presentations on various types of software. As you can see, this one was on Cruisewell. Presented
let's go.
The lead here. So we kind of skimmed through.
I pulled up the story here.
Basics of Cruisewell in these
reading units.
Now,
reading mode is
so very cool things. We've also worked on Note Taking Express, as well as Glean. And throughout these workshops, we're also creating a lot of marketing to present our workshops and make sure students know about our workshops. So flyers would be created for our workshops. We would also create brochures, infographics, et cetera. And just if you want to be a part of our team, please reach out to me. I'm George again. I'll be in the ICAT lab. And if you want to help, be a part of this team, whether you're creating tutorials, recordings, or presenting, even creating flyers or, getting our Google feedback form for our surveys that we've created, please feel free to reach out, and hopefully you enjoy working here at the DRC. Thank you.